of the factoring review. We have factoring applications. The first problem said that the area of a larger rectangle is negative 2x times the quantity 3x minus 4, and the area of a smaller rectangle is 5 times the quantity 3x minus 4. What is the difference in the areas in the factored form? Well, if I write it out, I want the larger minus smaller area. An area they gave you. They didn't even show you length times width. They just gave it to you. So there, I've got the negative 2x times the 3x minus 4. And if you'll notice, the 3x minus 4 is the same. Okay? That means that it's kind of grouping already started. Let's go. Grouping already started. So this guy and this guy come here. What's left over is the negative 2x minus the 5. And then if you want, you can remove the negative 1. Number 2 says that Eric calls to tell you that he has found the correct factors to the homework problem dealing with the difference of two squares. Which of the following could he possibly tell you is his answer? Assume his answer is correct. Well, when you're looking through it, the first one, 4x squared plus 3y squared times 4x minus 3y. The problem with that one is the x and the y are squared in the first binomial and not in the second. So it's not a plus and a minus of the same thing. The next one was 2x minus 7 times 2x minus 7. That doesn't work. That creates a perfect square trinomial. The next one, x plus 5 quantity squared, again, that doesn't work. The last one is the only one that works because it follows the pattern of a square root plus a root and a root minus a root. Okay? You're looking for something here that matches your pattern. Number 3, select the pair of expressions that result in the same graph because one expression is the factored form of the other. Okay? Here, you wind up with 2x plus 7 times 3x minus 5, and then the 6x squared plus 11x minus 35. Basically, for this, what you would do is you would go through and either factor, factor the two trinomials or multiply out all the binomials. Those are your two processes. So for what I did, when I multiplied this one together, I wound up with the one binomial, or with the trinomial, sorry. This binomial pair made this trinomial. Number 4, a ceremonial red carpet is rectangular in shape and covers 3x cubed minus 12x square feet. The width of the carpet is x minus 2 feet. Express the length in feet. Well, I have, oops, here it is. I have 3x cubed minus 12x. Factoring out the 3x. I know at first you say, oh, cubes. Nope. First thing you have is the greatest common factor. When the greatest common factor comes out, then you're left with a difference of squares. Once you do that, you notice that they told you that x minus 2, let's see here, x minus 2 or x plus 2 was the length, so the other one must be the width. Okay? Now, number 5, a teacher sees the following on a factoring on a student's paper. Is the factoring correct? Yes or no? And explain. 27x cubed minus 64y cubed. The student had 3x minus 4y quantity cubed. This is wrong. Don't be that person. Remember that you have to use SOAP. You need the same, opposite, always positive. So since this is subtraction, subtraction here. Since this is subtraction, you would need addition. And then always addition. Additionally, you have a binomial followed by a trinomial. So in order for this one to work, you would need 3x minus 4y, then 3x quantity squared is 9x squared. 3x times 4y is 12xy, and 4y quantity squared is 16y squared. The last one here, what is the area of the triangle in factored form? In standard form, meaning you need both. Well, remember the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. When you look at this, you're going to have 1/2 times the base, which is 4x plus 6, times the height, which is 7x. If you distribute the 1/2, you're going to get 2x plus 3. You still have the 7x. This is now factored form. Okay, 2x plus 3 times 7x, factored form. There's one of your answers. To get it in standard form, you're going to distribute the 7x. So 7x times 3 is 21x. 7x times 2x is 14x squared. 14x squared plus 21x, that's the standard form of the area of this triangle. And that's it. Good luck on the test. I know you guys are going to do fantastic. Okay? Just don't panic.